Hi, welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Vietnam is one of the best countries for having an authentic travel experience. Whether you're taking a boat trip to the floating market in the Mekong Delta or taking a cooking class, you'll be able to come closer to the country and understand it better. Vietnamese fresh spring rolls, Gỏi Cuốn, in Vietnamese are an incredibly easy, fresh versions of the classic fried spring roll. These rolls, also called summer rolls or salad rolls, are light and healthy, full of fresh herbs and crisp ingredients. They can change in flavor and size, but the foundation is always the same. While the common foods and ingredients of Vietnam are similar to all the mainland Southeast Asian countries, here is one of our favorite Asian dishes. Gỏi Cuốn is what most people think of when they imagine Vietnamese spring rolls. These spring rolls food are known for its fresh herb garnishes, healthful preparation, and beautiful presentation. Let's begin. Bring a large pot filled with 5 cups of water to a boil. Add the noodles and boil for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently to prevent sticking. After 3 minutes, rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process, then drain well. Next, add steamer with shrimp to a pot of simmering water. The water shouldn't really touch the shrimp if you can help it. Let the shrimp steam for about 6 minutes until they are cooked through and tender. Also, let's set aside the broth-boiled water. Meanwhile, let's peel and devein shrimp. Cut the shrimp lengthwise. Moving on, let's make the peanut sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 cloves of crushed garlic, followed by 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then add the 2 tablespoons of Hoisin. It's a sweet, spicy, dark red sauce. Mix all together. Then add 2 cups of the shrimp broth that we set aside earlier. Mix all together for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring constantly, and add a little bit of salt. This recipe is extremely forgiving and easy to adapt to use ingredients that you like and have on hand. I'm sharing what I typically put in them, but the options are endless. Assemble all of your ingredients together, including carrots, green onions, lettuce, mint, shrimp, vermicelli, noodle, and rice paper. Make sure soak the rice paper wrapper in a warm water. Allow it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds. Place the lettuce bundle with the seam side down onto the middle of the rice paper. Then add the rice noodles, followed by sliced carrots and sliced green onion. Then add 2 shrimp facing down, and after, put 2 leaves of mint. Pick up the sides of the spring roll and fold them in over the toppings. Then pick up the edge closest to you and pull it up and snugly over the toppings. Continue rolling all the way up like a burrito. Practice will make perfect, but just try to keep all the ingredients in tightly together as you roll everything up. And just repeat. What I love about this fresh spring rolls recipe is very healthy and flavorful, adaptable, and of course, the dipping sauce. So good, so delicious. The freshness and full of texture, Vietnam's spring rolls are known and loved worldwide. If you plan to visit Vietnam, make sure you look for Nam. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.